Namaskar kids and parents, how are you all? Hope you are fine at your home. So let us start with prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes, pray with me. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. So hard, you can't get over it. So hard, you can't get around it. So deep, you can't get under it. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. Now kids, today's topic is birds, right? हमने last topic में क्या किया था? First letter, right? First letter of all the birds, right? Today we are going to take one more videos about birds, that is matches. But before it, we see CW page number 51 in worksheet and homework page number 86 in worksheet. Now, look at the bird. First of all, we have to write CW and mention today's date. Right? Match the following. हमें क्या करना है? यहाँ birds है, इसके first letter के साथ ये सारे birds को match करेंगे हम. Right? First of all, identify the picture. Which picture is this? This is small bird. S for sparrow. Right? So यहाँ पर where is S? Yes, find S. Yes, this is S. S for sparrow. Now match sparrow with its first letter. And which bird is this? This is parrot. P for parrot. So now let us find P. Yes, it is here. So we match P with parrot. P with parrot. Now which bird is this? This is owl. O for owl. Now let us find O, letter O. Where is it? Yes, it is here, last one. So we have to match owl with its first letter O. Now which bird is this? This is hen. H for hen. Where is H? Let us find letter H. Yes, it is here. So now match the letter H with hen. And which bird is this? This is peacock. P for peacock. Where is P? Yes, another P is here. So we have to match letter P with peacock. Now, which bird is this? Guess it. जो bird swimming करता है water में. Yes, this is duck. D for duck. Now let us find letter D. Yes, it is here. So match the duck for D. D for duck. Match the letter D with duck. Now which bird is this? Yes, this is crow. Crow का first letter कौन सा होता है? C. C for crow. चलो यहाँ पर हम ढूंढते हैं. Yes, it is here. So we have to match letter C with crow. C for crow. Now which bird is this? This is penguin. Penguin का first letter कौन सा होता है? P. So now let us find P. P is here, but we match this. We match this also, and now letter P again is here. So we match letter P with penguin. Now kids, it is our page number 52 in worksheet. This is CW class work. Now you have to write here CW and मेंशन टुडेज डेट। हमने जो बोर्ड वर्क किया है वही है, बट आप अच्छे से यहाँ पर वर्कशीट में जो दिया है वैसे पिक्चर एंड दीज आर ऑल द फर्स्ट लेटर्स, राइट? वी हैव टू मैच पिक्चर्स विथ फर्स्ट लेटर. Let us start with this bird. This is small bird, right? Which bird is this? Sparrow. Sparrow के फर्स्ट लेटर के साथ हम मैच करेंगे S. Yes, this is S. S for sparrow. And which bird is this? This is parrot. Parrot का फर्स्ट लेटर कौन सा होता है? P. So let us find P. Yes, it is here. P for parrot. Let us match P with parrot. And now which bird is this? Owl. Owl का फर्स्ट लेटर O होता है. So let us find O. It is here. So match the letter O with owl. Now which bird is this? Hen. Hen का फर्स्ट लेटर कौन सा होता है? H. Yes, so we have to find letter H. Here it is. So we have to match H with hen. Now which bird is this? This is peacock. Again we have to find letter P. It is here, so we have to match peacock with letter P. Now which bird is this? This is duck. So we have to match first letter of duck. What is the first letter of duck? D. So let us find letter D. It is here. Yes, we match this. And which bird is this? This is crow. What is the color of crow? Black. Now what is the first letter of which bird is this? Okay. Now yes, this is crow. What is the first letter of crow? C. Now let us find C. It is here. Match the letter C with crow. Now which bird is this? This is penguin. P for penguin. We have to match letter P with penguin. Let us find P. It is here. So we have to match the letter P with penguin. Now kids, let us do our homework. Page number 84 in worksheet. First of all, we have to mention here HW and today's date. Tick, write in the box the birds that can fly. जो bird fly करते हैं उसके box में write करेंगे. And cross the birds cannot fly. Right? जो बर्ड्स फ्लाई नहीं करते उसके बॉक्स में हम क्रॉस करेंगे और जो बर्ड फ्लाई करते उसके नीचे बॉक्स में हम राइट करेंगे. राइट? नाउ लुक एट हियर. व्हिच बर्ड इज दिस? दिस इज स्पैरो. स्पैरो कैन फ्लाई. यस, सो वी हैव टू टिक हियर. एंड व्हिच बर्ड इज दिस? दिस इज क्रो. क्रो कैन फ्लाई. यस, सो वी हैव टू टिक हियर. Now which bird is this? This is ostrich. O for ostrich. Ostrich cannot fly, so we have to cross here. And which bird is this? This is parrot. Parrot can fly, so we have to tick here. And which bird is this? This is peacock. Peacock can fly, so we have to tick here. This is pigeon. Pigeon can fly. Yes, so we have to tick here. Now which bird is this? This is penguin. Penguin can fly. No, so we have to cross here. So our homework is complete. Our CW classwork is page number 51 in worksheet, and our classwork is page number 52 in worksheet, and homework is page number 86 in worksheet. Thank you. Now it is time for activity. आपको एक्टिविटी करनी है मेरे साथ. चलो आज हम बर्ड बनाएंगे. दिस इज अ ब्लू कलर पेपर. राइट? आप कोई भी कलर का एक पेपर लेना है हमें. उसमें से हम स्पैरो बनाएंगे. वी हैव टू ड्रॉ सर्कल. वी हैव टू टेक 2 सर्कल. कोई भी लीड ले ले और उससे हमें करना है ड्रॉ द सर्कल. राइट? सो आई टेक 2 सर्कल्स. big one, right? And one small circle. I cut this circle for making face of sparrow. And ये सर्कल है, राइट? फिर हम एक रेक्टेंगल लेंगे. क्या लेंगे? रेक्टेंगल. वी हैव टू ड्रॉ standing line and sleeping line and then cut. ये सारे इसमें शेप्स आ जाएंगे. आप मैथ्स में पढ़ते हो ना शेप्स, अबाउट शेप्स, ऑल द शेप्स, सर्कल, स्क्वेयर, रेक्टेंगल. दिस वन इज रेक्टेंगल. वी हैव टू cut in again and make feathers. Uneven आपको यहाँ पर कट लगाना है सीधा. And make feather like that and fold like that, up and down, right? So it is looking like feather. Now take another color and we have to make sparrows. ये हम फोल्ड करेंगे बिकॉज हमें टू ये बिग बनानी है यहाँ पर एंड लेग बनाएंगे. This one is big. And which shape is this? This is triangle, right? And one more shape we are going to draw. This is oval. Which shape is this? Oval, right? इससे हम क्या करेंगे? इससे leg बनाएंगे and इससे big बनाएंगे. So we need fevistick for sticking this. एंड हमने जो बिग वाले सर्कल बनाए उसको ऐसे फोल्ड करेंगे एक साइड, राइट? एंड देन ओके ऐसे फोल्ड करेंगे एंड देन कट इट. दोनों साथ में ही कट करेंगे. फिर हम उसको चेंज कर देंगे तो फेदर्स बन जाएंगे. क्या बनेंगे इसके? बर्ड के. ये कौन सा बर्ड है? स्पैरो. विच बर्ड इज दिस? Sparrow. Sparrow can fly. Yes. And what is the first letter of sparrow? S for sparrow. Now turn this like that and we get these feathers. Very beautiful, right? So now this is beak and this is leg of sparrow. Now we stick all this part. First of all we stick here. ये है गुगली आइज, वो हम यहाँ पर लगा देंगे. इफ़ यू कैन देन यू कैन ड्रॉ द आई. टेक फेविस्टिक एंड ये बन गई आई. एंड टेक so now we get this ये क्या बन गई? बिग, राइट? दिस इज बिग एंड दिस इज आई. नाउ वी स्टिक फेस इन बिटवीन दिस बिग सर्कल, राइट? ऐसे हम बनाएंगे, ऐसे बीच के पार्ट में हम स्टिक कर देंगे. So stick here. And feather we have to also stick here in between these two circles. Now we stick both the circles together. Yes. Now we stick your leg. Done. Oh wow, this is beautiful sparrow. देखो तो ये कैसे हिलती है? Yes, looking like real sparrow. Yes, do it your home. Thank you.